In this video, we'll see an introduction to Google's presentation application, Google Slides. To access slides from your main Google landing page, click the dots icon to open the apps and click Slides. If you don't see slides, click More, where you can drag the slides icon into the menu above. There are many similarities between slides and Google Docs. For example, just like with Docs, you can start your presentation with blank slides or choose from one of the standard templates. I'll start with the blank template. On the right side is a list of themes, which you can use to add some consistent color or graphics to your slides. All aspects of these can be customized, but they're a good place to start. I'll choose this one called Material. I can change the background color by clicking here. If I change the theme, the new background color remains, but I can switch back by choosing Background Reset. Changing the theme doesn't affect any text or images you've added to your slides, it only changes the look. I can also use an image as the background. I'll do a web search for Slides background and choose this one. For my first slide, the title I enter here becomes the name of the file when I click in the Name field. Down here, I'll enter my name. The title slide in your presentation will usually have a different layout than the subsequent slides you add. To add a new slide, I can click the plus icon here, or I can right-click on the title slide thumbnail on the left and choose New Slide. This new slide is set up a bit differently and is designed to contain a topic name here and its details here. The background image didn't carry over, but if I go back to the first slide, return to Background, and click Add to Theme, I'll now have the background image in all of my slides. Now I can add text to this slide. Here's the subject of this slide, and I can change its font or color. I'll now add some bullet points in this box. In order to find the info I need, I can use the Explore option. I'll enter my topic, and I can open any of these links or just enter the info that I can see. If I want to add an image to this slide, I can change its layout first to add a new box, then click Image, search the web, and find the right picture. I'll resize this, move it into place, and resize or move both text boxes. I'll change this border, add a fill color, and erase this default text. My next slide can be a blank one, or a duplicate of this one if I want to keep the same formatting and just change the text. If I change the formatting here, I can replicate the formatting elsewhere. I'll select these bullet points and change their color and make them italicized. Then I'll click the Paint Format icon. To apply this style elsewhere, I just have to highlight where I want it applied. This works for boxes as well. If I change this border and click Paint Format, I can apply the new style here. I can also change the default formatting by choosing View Master. Here I can change the default font and size for titles, bullets, and lists for each slide layout. I can also insert tables just like I can in Docs. I'll add a new slide with a blank layout. I'll choose Insert Table, make it 4 by 4, and add my text in each cell. I can title this slide by inserting a text box and placing it up here. Another way I can present information is with a chart. I'll add a new blank slide and choose Insert Chart, and I'll choose the column format. A default chart is added, and I can click the link icon, Open Source, to customize the data. In this table, which is actually part of Google Sheets, I can change the cells to reflect what I want to show. I can change chart formatting, such as column color or title, by selecting the chart and double-clicking the elements I want to change. When I go back to my slide and click Update, Here's the chart I want. Animations are a nice way to vary how the information appears. I can go back to my title slide, click the title, which is its own text box, and choose Insert Animation. I'll choose Fly In from Left using OnClick. I'll add a fade in for this text box, set to After Previous. I'll test this by clicking Play. I need to click to start the title animation, and the subtitle animation happens after the previous one is finished. A slide transition affects the entire slide. I can apply to just this slide or to all of them. Sharing and commenting work just like they do in Google Docs. Finally, when I'm ready to show my presentation, I can click Present. I'll use the Enter key or mouse clicks to advance from slide to slide.